Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. We are making a crustless veggie quiche, which is perfect for breakfast meal prep. Start by slicing 8 ounces of baby portobello or button mushrooms and 1 shallot. We're going to saute them, so have a pan set to medium-high, coat lightly with oil, and add the mushroom and shallot. Sprinkle with a little salt and pepper. Stir until the mushroom and shallots are cooked. That should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the mushroom and shallot from the pan and into a dish to cool. You can put it in the refrigerator while you prepare the other ingredients. I roasted a red pepper on the stove and will only need half. Be sure to remove the charred skin and then dice. We'll need a half tablespoon of fresh sage minced. This will give the quiche a sausage flavor without the sausage. And now let's put this veggie quiche together. In an 8 by 12 pan, add 1 cup of frozen spinach that's been thawed and strained. Add the diced roasted red bell pepper. Add in the sautéed mushroom and shallots. Drain off any excess juice before adding. Add the half tablespoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Use salt, pepper, and garlic powder to taste. You will need 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Mix everything together and make sure to break up the spinach and distribute everything evenly. From this point, give the mixture a taste and add additional seasonings if needed. Make sure that the ingredients are lightly distributed in the pan and not packed down. In a mixing bowl, combine 6 eggs with 1 cup of half and half or milk. Mix until smooth in consistency. Now pour over into the baking pan and shake the pan lightly to distribute the egg mixture. If you need to stir to get the ingredients even, you can. Place the quiche in the oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes and it's done. You can serve it right away, however I think quiche is much better the day after. The texture gets smooth and the flavor is much more profound. I hope you all enjoy this vegetable quiche recipe. Thank you so much for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye!